Hello guys, so in this tutorial I will show how to render this white water. Previously you watched the how to simulation the rock splash. So in this tutorial I just show how to render this white water. Okay. So this is the single frame render which I have done. So this is the single frame render. So I will show how to render this. I'll so first of all, here is my white water. So this is a white water. Okay. So just copy this, Control C, and take a, and here I just take object marks now, and just paste it here. And just take a object marks now, and paste it here. Okay, so complete this, and after that I just deleted all the attribute except the velocity prescale and ID. So you can create a attribute delete node and, just make a star tick. You can press shift 6 in keyboards. You can get this up arrow. A prescale ID and age and velocity. Okay, so you check here, you can get age, ID, pay scale, velocity, and if you here there is a lot of attribute sticks time. That's why I just deleted the attribute, and you can delete the group also. Okay, you can take a group delete node and make a star. Okay, and you can now control left click. So this is one out. Okay, and first I show how to render in month. So you just take a, I just take a one HDRI light. You can make a take a environment light and just copy this in my HDRI path. Okay, so you can go here and just select the path. Okay, so you can get the HDRI. Okay, this is our light, right? So I have already this HDRI light. So here is my HDRI loader. Okay, from where I can small HDR, right? So I just load from here. Okay, so load HDR. So this is the shape tool I just created. Okay, so I get my HDR. So you can do by yourself. Just take an environment light. Okay, environment light and yeah, in the environment map you can just put your HDR. Okay, so now I go for the material. So here is my whitewater material. I just created volume shader. So you just created uh, a fixed material builder. call it as a and go inside this delete this thing and I take it click the lighting volume so just complete lighting I guess does see it to see it and outlet okay okay volume shader code layer if if okay just promote this density value okay and double click this make sure it should be density right and instead of this displacement output I click properties shading and here I just go to the gear icon edit parameter interface and you can see go to render properties and I just here just we need these three value okay the volume sample density volume sample and uniform volume okay so you can just put here edit interface to the render properties here you can type volume density sorry density okay so you can get volume density okay make sure properly you can just type okay and check the volume density no. Just drag and drop volume density and make the volume sample also and volume uniform this one uniform volume apply this copy this parameter density copy parameter and paste it here please read the reference and check the volume sample okay so this is my material white water render and then in one thing I just forgot to mention go to the object level and for the white water render you there is the go to the sampling tab and turn on this velocity block okay and the geometry tab you choose render only points okay render only points and points scale 0.7 I just I'll show what is the effect for it and go to the out context and here I can take a mantra render I just select my camera 5 and go to the rendering tab turn on the click the cylinder allow motion blur actual 5 is example and rest of the things same with object level I just choose the force object white water render matte acid and what acid and waveforms okay and let's check for the render this is white water render this is white water render I can get this okay and go to the object level make sure you choose the material also matte white water uh, total in the this check one. Yeah, you can see here the very less dense, so you can go to the white water render and this is my material builder and you can just take one snapshot and just increase density shadow um, 25. Yeah, you can see the dense type. Okay, for the point control you can control from the here. Go to the object level and you can, here is the point scale you can control from here. So this is for the mantra render and one thing I was showing to how to render with this curve. So I just my scene skill and manual and I go to the stage level. Yeah, and Solaris top it can find. So for the Solaris render here, I just get a soft import and so this is the swap import and I just can take a swap import and just here the my white water can go here. This is for the white water cache in the object level. Okay, and this is the camera for the camera import. Then choose the scene import camera and got the camera. So just choose the which camera you want. Okay, so this is a X and I just use the current physical sky for the light the current physical sky. Okay, and for the material builder you can go here and I just create and create a material X. Okay, so you just take a USD material X builder. Okay, and go inside. So just take a this is the my material interface. Okay, and here I just base color one I just specular is 0.5 and transform is 0, depth is 0. Okay, emission is 0. Specular you can 0.25 transformation 4 developers. And for the assigned material you can see I just create this material prefix path. Okay, so here an assigned material the fx particle layer. So and this is the fixed material white water material. So for the scene swap import I just create a import path fx. I just set fx particle so you can see the fx particle path. Okay, so this is the layer. Okay, I just merge these two things. Okay, and I create a material builder. The material path prefix should be the effects and I manually type the name material. Okay, and make sure make a slash. Okay, you can get these effects under materials. Okay, and here is the white water mat. So material box you can just choose white water mat. From the here you can just type the name white water mat, just copy this and paste white water mat and assign material same thing. If it's particle you just drag and drop this thing fx particle, and for the material this is the you can drag and drop the fx materials by total. Okay, this is the thermal, and after that you can take thermal render setting. Here is you can select the cam 5, and for the cam 5 I just select the thermal material builder. You can in the camera effect make sure you can turn on this motion blur. Okay, and if I check explain, you can got this thing. Okay, geometry sampling can increase or decrease. Okay, and after that you can same thing, choose the thermal xp, this UST render raw, and the same like this thing. Okay, so thanks for watching.